Let's read this question. So the question says that silicon, germanium, tin and lead along with carbon constitute the carbon family, and the property called catenation facilitates the formation act as a reducing agent. So there are fourth option, and among these we have to choose one of the oxides of carbon which can act as reducing agent. So let's solve this question. So first, that is CO2. If we'll draw the structure of CO2, then it is like C double bond O double bond O. So here all the four electrons of carbon are bonded with oxygen. So there are no lone pairs of electron. Now option B. Option B, C double bond O, and here carbon has a lone pair of electron. Now we'll see option C. So option C, CO3 2 minus, and here the structure is C double bond O, O minus O. So this is the structure of CO3 2 minus. This is the structure of CO and this is the structure of CO2. So if we see the structures, then first we'll know what is reducing agent. So first we'll see what is reducing agent. Then you can decide which can act as a reducing agent or not. So the reducing agent which gets oxide. So the agent which gets oxidized and reduced others. So the species or the chemical species or the agent, the chemical species which gets oxidized and reduced others. So the reducing agent is gets oxidized but reduce the other species, other chemical species. So that is reducing agent. So if you see in CO, that is carbon monoxide, here carbon has a lone pair of electron and it can donate its electron. That means when it donates its electron, we know that it gets oxidized. So it gets oxidized, that means itself get oxidized. That means it reduced others and act as a reducing agent. So in CO, that is carbon monoxide, carbon has a lone pair of electron and when carbon loses electrons, it gets oxidized. And hence act as a reducing agent. And also CO act as a very strong. So CO is very strong reducing agent. As it easily oxidized to CO2. So it is a strong reducing agent, as well as carbon has lone pair of electron. So it can, in carbon monoxide, carbon has lone pair of electrons, so it can donate its or it can lose its electron and itself get oxidized and act as a reducing agent. So the answer will be option B. So Cu can act as a reducing agent. So option B is the correct answer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.